Suitcase packed and ready to go. We're here at the Crowne Plaza San Diego in Mission Valley. Stick around for a standard 2 queen with balcony room tour, take a look at some of the amenities and the restaurant options at the hotel. And after a 5 night stay, we'll discuss some pros and cons and give you our thoughts on who this hotel might be good for. Let's go.
Hey guys, it's Mike. We're staying at the Crowne Plaza Mission Valley, San Diego. So why don't we go check it out? And so we're staying in room 1801, so 8th floor. Key card to get in. Let's go check it out. So you come on in to the right first. Yep. They have this like vanity area. They have a vanity area right here. And then we're going to go right to here. And there's a closet. Here's the closet. Decent sized closet. Has a ironing board. As you can see, our bag is already in there. Has one of those stands you put your bags on if you want. Plenty of hanging space. And once again, I love this, regular wooden hangers. There's no safe, in-room safe. So we're going to enter into the bathroom. Okay, so we've been here a couple days.
Thus the mess.
Yeah, there you go. There's a mess. Right. Got a good sized mirror. Plenty of space here. Single basin, but plenty of space for the sink. Hair dryer available there. You have the hand wash and lotion. Standard toilet. It's got a shower, tub, shower combo. This also has the conditioner, the bath gel, and the shampoo.
Okay, and just a note about the shower. I like my shower scalding, and the water is very warm, but it's not hot enough for me. And I will say that the water pressure is low. So, I mean, it's not like you can't take a shower, but you're not. Yeah, it's pretty low. I don't know how you feel about it, but
I agree. There's not much to it.
And I will say that everything's really clean.
Yes, they're doing a good job. And this is a 2-queen standard room. There's our 2-queen beds. Good size television right there. Inside here is one of the good size refrigerators. Three drawers, although really small, I have to say, not a lot of, they're about that much depth. So
they are, as far as I'm concerned, really cheap drawers. They're hard to open. They're not very deep. Yep. I'm really not happy with that for sure. I feel like the quality is poor.
Good Keurig coffee maker right here. Oh, I say good. Standard Keurig coffee maker.
And they refilled for us.
Desk area there with a chair. The lamp has 2 regular outlets and then 1 USB-A outlet right there. The thermostat is right here on the wall. Air conditioner, by the way, the air conditioner runs really well, so you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, I like it chilly, and it's nice and chilly at night.
We come on around, like I said, 2 beds. So over here, the nightstand has on the lamp, it has 2 regular outlets. And the clock has a USB-A and a USB-C outlet. There's a single drawer and an open cubby. Okay, so here on the balcony, as you can see, it's a good sized balcony. A large door to open out to it, but there's no furniture on the balcony. See, we're gonna go to the courtyard, pool, spa, main area. Let's take a walk. See what we got here. So you can see the laundry facility is right downstairs. Fitness center right above it. But let's see, we got the guest laundry for the $275 for the washers and $275 for the dryers. And they both look like they both take coin or, what was I saying, credit card, tap to pay, any of that. Soap dispensing machine, it's $1. And that's just straight quarters. See, there's no credit card for that, so you gotta have quarters to get that. So we're gonna go upstairs. Right above the guest laundry is the fitness center. Oh, no key card required. Oh. Okay, so it's small, but you know, it's got the machines in there if you need them. The spa's right here in front of both of them. So if you were here and you were wondering, where is it? Find the hot tub. Literally, you're right there. Found it easy at that point. So. Oh, the pool hours are up too. You know, it's pool rules, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Plenty of seating, it looks like. Yeah. So, let's see on the map. We are where the star is right there. So we're gonna go to Islands and the lobby. We're gonna go over here. The Islands restaurant is their main restaurant. Let's go here. Let's see. So the breakfast has over there, you got some oatmeal, some breads and cereals, some pastries, some whole fruit if you want it, and then some cut fruits as well, hard-boiled eggs and yogurt. Then you have some scrambled eggs, some bacon. This is sausage. Does not indicate whether it's a turkey sausage or not. But some breakfast potatoes right there. And then some biscuits and gravy. Now this is $22 so, for that. So, and here's the a la carte pricing. Gonna walk on through. Oh yes, this is the lounge. Last night, when we checked in last night, there was a lot going on. Here's a quick little menu too. Dinner hours from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Looks like cocktails are around $15. Beer is $8. Wine is anywhere from 9 to 12, depending on what it is, per glass. Restroom off the lobby right there. There's a business center right back here. Not used often because they got a couple of microwaves in there. It's locked right now, but it looks like there's one desktop and the printer and a couple of microwaves. I don't know why they put a microwave in there, but they did. variety of drinks and sandwiches. Yep. Up to microwavables, ice cream, stuff like that. And then snacks. And oh, there you go. Some quick to do medicines and so forth if you need them.
So when you're coming and going from the hotel, you get a hang tag that you scan. Then you just scan it right in, and you've got in and out privileges while you're here. And you do get charged for parking. It's $25 a day. We're just getting ready to check out of the Crowne Plaza in San Diego. And so we thought we'd just put together a couple of thoughts about our stay. We stayed 5 nights here. Overall, I was really pleased. The structure of the building, this was the Honolulu from, when did you say, the 66?
Yeah, it was built in it was opened in 66.
And then it's had some changes since then. You can tell from the exterior that it's an older hotel. The rooms have been updated since then. I would not say the rooms are contemporary, and I did think the furniture was cheap, but it's very clean. I didn't have any issues with that. The staff has been great, and as you'll see in the walk around, it's very well maintained. The pool, the grounds, everything's really well maintained.
Yeah, I think I thought the staff was really good, courteous, attentive. All the groundskeepers, you see them here. You see them here every day. They're touching something up, fixing something.
They're fixing stuff right now.
They're fixing stuff right now. They're on top of it. Let's say it that way.
Yeah.
And it's convenient. It's over here in Hotel Cirque, which makes it like 15 to 20 minutes from everything you want to do. It's no problem.
Yeah, I would stay here again, I guess, is the bottom line. I would stay here again.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
Yes, I would. I would. Because keep in mind, this is San Diego. You're going everywhere. So.
Yeah, it depends what you want to do. If you're here to mostly stay downtown, do the gas lamp, sort of waterside stuff, then this is probably not your location. But if you're here to visit a student at San Diego State, or you're going to SeaWorld or something like that, then
zoo,
this is
Balboa.
Yeah, Balboa is really close. So depends what you're doing, but this would definitely still be on my list.
Yep.
For next time.
That's the wrap up.
This is Kathy
and Mike for Suitcase Packed Will Travel. We'll see you later.
See you later.